Aloha! We got an epic show for you today. I'm Dazz the One, a.k.a. Dazz Fresh.
Fresh?
Dazz the One.
No, wait. What's your real name?
Oh, my name's Darryl.
It doesn't matter what your name is.
It's like that. Okay,
I'm kidding.
Sorry, and you are?
Well, I am Young
so
Sefa.
Sorry, no, my bad, yeah.
I am Young Sefa.
Keep it! Tell her, look at my face, this is how I make my money.
I'm a really good guy.
Paragraph.
You guys gonna call me? No, oh, yes.
Do you know what's funny, Daz?
What's that?
I used to watch you on Fresh.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like 10 years ago when I was growing up and when you had hair and when I was younger, Sefa.
What? Yeah!
What's happened to my voice? Can I take your order? Cool story, bro. Coming up today on Fresh.
How fresh are you?
There's definitely a relationship between kabaka and my music.
10 years of freshness. I love acting and acting the fool on TV.
We've only got a couple of draws left.
So just how fresh are you?
I'm as fresh as a freshly squeezed baby on a fresh Sunday morning.
Well, I'm as fresh as a freshly squeezed undies from the river.
Ew, how fresh are you, cuz? Nah, I'm good. Thank you. Fresh.
Talofa lava and welcome to another episode of How Fresh Are You? I am your host, Lady Chadwick, and today I'm really excited because today we have some of Aotearoa's finest actors. Woo! To my left, we have Te Kohe, Tuhaka, and Rob Mokaraka. Kia ora, guys. Okay, what's your team's name?
We are team Dough Boys.
Yeah. Well, let's hear it for Dough Boys.
Yeah.
And to my right, we have Fasitua Amosa and Ed Eramiha. Okay, guys, what's your group name?
We are the Barons Boys.
Awesome. The Barons Boys. Fantastic. Let's hear it for the Barons Boys. All right. Okay, guys, you know how the game rolls. The first game is rapid fire. Okay, boys, first question is, in the hit Disney series The Mandalorian, which New Zealander of the Year voiced the robot IG-11? Yes, Baron Brothers.
It was Taika Waititi.
Well done. Woo! Yeah, well done. Excellent. Next question. Why did Maui set out to catch the sun? Oh, that was close, but I think these guys got there just then. Yes, Baron Brothers.
To slow down time.
No, he's wrong.
What? There was a challenge. There's a challenge.
He's wrong.
Maui was asked to catch the sun so
Yes.
that we, as mere mortals,
Yes.
could have longer days.
Thus, slowing down time. Longer days.
Okay. That was a really beautiful korero. That was a beautiful korero, albeit short, but it was good. But I'm going to have to give it to them. Yes! Well done. Guys, it's okay. It's 500 each. 500 each. Well done. I don't love it. You're lucky because you're... Yeah. Okay, guys. Which rugby star was born on May the 12th, 1975? Tick-tock, tick-tock. Yes, Baron Brothers.
Michael Jones.
Do-do.
Oh.
Yes.
Zinzenbrook.
Do-do. Any others? One more chance, guys? Yes.
Jonah Long.
He's right, guys. Jonah Laumua, that's right. Well done. Were you guys just naming every single PI?
Pretty much.
Māori PI, I thought so. Yeah, well done. Next question. What dish would you make with jibs?
Excuse me?
What dish would you make with chips? Yes, Fussy.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips, absolutely correct. Well done. Yes?
Chips and dip.
Absolutely right. Any other jibs that you want to add in there before we go to points? Yes.
Wood jibs.
Well done. There you go, guys.
Serious.
1,000 points to our Baron Brothers. Well done. 1,000. Excellent. All right, now it's time for our next game, The Voice. Okay, guys, and now it's time to play our next game where we play The Voice and you have to figure out who it belongs to. Have a listen to this.
Freshies, and welcome to Rarotonga.
That's right, we're here for the first annual Raro Fest.
Yep, that was short and sweet.
Is it Din Din?
No, not Din Din. You guys feeling? Yes.
Solomio.
No, not Solemio. Do we need another clue, guys?
Yeah, I think so.
Listen to this. Second clue.
Who was to offer a program to the young generation.
What are we getting, guys? We're getting harmony. Obviously, these guys can sing, and they give back to the community, maybe.
I know the name of the group.
Okay, let's hear the name of the group. It's
Eddie's.
He's right. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay, guys, now it's time for the next voice. Have a listen to this.
I went straight from uni, in fact, straight from uni to TVNZ.
Okay, guys, what are you getting? You guys getting? You know this voice really well? Yeah.
Straight from uni to TVNZ.
Straight to uni to TVNZ. Chikohe.
I just had this image of Pippa Witzel.
Guys, he's absolutely correct. Hey! That's Pippa Witzel. Okay, guys, now it's time for our last voice. Have a listen to this.
So I grew up in Taranaki. I'm a Neki girl heart.
Okay, we've had a buzzer. Oh, two buzzers. There was a bit of a nip. But Ed, you at first. Who's that voice?
Nancy Brunning.
I'm sorry, you were incorrect. Yes.
Is that Annie Crummer?
No. It's
Siobhan Ruakere.
He's absolutely correct. That means the Doughboys are our winners. They get to take away 2 T-shirts, woohoo! And Westfield vouchers. Here you go, boys.
Thank you.
My look.
Thank you.
That's us for today. Tune in next week for another episode of
How fresh are you?
So fast, so fresh.
We'll see you guys after the break.
You going?
No, didn't.
We need to assemble a team of fresh Avengers.
We should hold auditions, Nico Fury.
That's it?
It is.
Permission to come aboard, Skipper. So Cap, what do you reckon? Can I join the Ngawalofa crew?
As long as you have the adventure spirit of our ancestors, we're all cool.
Sicky, yeah.
Wait. Do you get seasick?
Yes.
Can you swim?
No, why?
Well, here's some more info about Dazz you didn't know about or care about in his world.
Bruh.
Dazz my uso.
Cool. Already. Dazz, my world. Take one. My world. I've been from Fresh. Yeah, from Fresh. Been with the Fresh family from the beginning. You know, me and the brother Will.
Bikini. Let's start from the very beginning.
2010 we started, 2020 now, so what's that? 10 years, wow. 10-year anniversary, congratulations.
I have about 20 years experience in this industry.
10 years of freshness. It's been quite a journey, no doubt. One of the first things that we had to do for Fresh was these segments called Fresh Speak. That funny thing you do with the words. It's like misheard lyrics, repurposing words, coming up with those words. Sometimes we'd have to go through the dictionary, and sometimes we're just cruising around, driving through a quiet town. It's like, hey bro, it's pretty quiet here, eh? Yeah, it's like a ghost town. Ghost town.
Kiss me till the sun goes down.
Ghost town. Shout out Nisha Mystic. A lot of them were funny. And a lot of them were You know, at the end of the day, they were all fresh. Keep it fresh. Keep it up. Smile. IFOB. Wow.
On today's presentation of IFOB,
that blew up, eh?
On your iPod chart.
There was something different for island content at the time.
Pick a pod, any pod.
With the little bro Clinton, shout out Clinton.
The iPod Touch has proven to be a very versatile little device.
So we found Clinton at a school here in Samoa and auditioned him to be my assistant.
My lovely assistant. Oh, it's an I-O.
What does this new amazing app do?
10 years later, and here he is doing media studies in Otago University, so...
Max here is off to university to be a rocket scientist, like his idol, his hero.
Yeah, no, actually...
He caught the acting bug early, thanks to Dazz. Already.
Can't be applied to humans.
Working with Fresh, it's been a journey, yeah. Like, a lot of people only see me in front of the camera, doing my little ha-ha-ha.
What? Yeah!
But a lot of the times, I'm behind the camera. I'm usually holding the camera, getting cool angles and nice shallow depth of field. And I met a lot of people. Yeah, you know, I've been real blessed to have traveled with Fresh, through Fresh. Traveled all over the Pacific, Tahiti, Hawaii, Fiji, Marquesas. Right, Marquesas was dope. Las Vegas, Samoa, Hamilton, Barnesville. And in my travels, you know, I've been so blessed to like meet all these celebrities, all these people that I've looked up to. I've met Fiji, I've met Dinah Jane, sup girl. I've met The Rock's cousin, Crit. Also Crit, doing some big things in the world, yo. The first celebrity that ever recognized me from Fresh, Shea Fu. I remember buying Shea Fu's, to be specific, when I was in high school. To have him acknowledge me like that was a real starstruck moment. Shout out to also Shea. Shout out King Caps, that's my cousin. What have I learned from Fresh after all these years? I've learned that keep it fresh. I've learned a lot of technical and creative processes, what goes on in the background. I have met a lot of awesome people, a lot of mentors. It's been really humbling and I'm blessed for it, you know. These people are my family. This is the Fresh family. What up, Fresh? Keep it fresh.
I used to watch the families on TV, praying to God that could be me. Why does their life look so easy? And every problem ends so cheesy. Then I start to wonder like Stevie.
Cool story, bro.
Yeah, cool story, yeah. And here's another cool story with On The Rise. All right.
Kia ora, ko Amber Tinga Ngawa Hope. He uri tēnei no Waikato, and I am a singer-songwriter.
He tangi hotu, hotu ko ana I te whakaro. Kai mate tōku reo, kai mate tōku reo.
I've been singing professionally for about 5 years. I've been privileged and blessed to win some awards for the mahi that I do. I'm truly grateful.
See, I'll never walk alone. I've got my tupuna beside me.
I generally listen to a lot of soul and R&B, really inspired mostly by Aotearoa artists. Aradna, Bella Kalolo. There's definitely a relationship between kapahaka and my music. Kapahaka has helped me to be able to actually write and perform. They definitely go hand in hand together for me. My full-time mahi is actually being a parent, being a mama, and this is Ayo Wairua, and she's 3 years old, and she comes to a lot of my gigs as well. Generally, what inspires me to write are things that are happening in current affairs, like to do with Māori, Indigenous people, are things that I'm inspired by, and my process is generally reading. So I read and then play something on the guitar and just see how I interpret that. My main goal is to inspire people.
Stay on board, because we got more funny freshness for you after the break.
Avengers,
If you had a superpower, what would your superpower be?
Changing time.
Invisibility.
You could teleport.
Reading your mind.
Mass control. Can you control this mass?
Yeah, family pack. Yeah, I can control it.
Can we see a sample of your power?
The teleport?
Yeah, man. Invisibility. All right, let's see it.
Wait.
Where did she go?
Changing time.
Who's your favorite superhero?
Batman. Superwoman.
Electroman.
Spider-Man.
Sunny Bill. Sunny Bill. What is Sunny Bill's name?
A flow, man.
A float?
Keep it fresh.
Here's some more superhero shenanigans with fresh funnies.
With all 6 infinity shells, I can simply snap my fingers, and half the supply of toilet paper in the world will disappear. Oh, by the way, I was nominated by my Uso Ultron for the 25-day push-up challenge, so here it is, day 1. Let's go.
What? He already has the power shell? Time shell? She sells seashells on the seashore shells?
And all he needs now is the coconut shell. Captain American Samoa, we need to assemble a team of fresh Avengers.
We should hold auditions, Nico Fury.
That's it?
It is. I am very excited. First audition of the day.
Yes, they're all lining up outside. And what are you going to do for us today? Oh.
I am Doctor Strange.
What's up, Docs?
Wait. So you're a magician?
Think of an attack player between 1 and 15.
Okay.
You seen Maori, a Pacific Islander?
Get out of my head, you.
How's that even magic? Half the All Black Squad are islanders anyways. Hey, take it easy, buddy. You're in the squad.
I am Black Panther.
Can you hear what it is?
No.
Do you mind taking off your...
I am Black Panther. I come from the land of Nawaka.
Where's Nawaka?
In Fiji.
Oh, pull.
Nawaka forever.
You can let me join the team. After we win, we're gonna have some cover. Sit,
brother.
Sit, Mantan. Sit, dude.
Upset.
This guy's a bit shiny.
Yeah. Celebrity.
Alola Maupito. I'm half Samoan, half Tongan Do.
Are you sure you don't have enough baby oil on you there, mate?
Yeah, that's how potential workplace has it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So, what do you do? Are you a builder?
oh, maybe it's this. Is it this thing?
Your hammer.
Oh, here, mate.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, brother. Toko uso, eh? That's my uso. Toko uso.
I love you.
Oh.
I am Darryl Laumua, luchador extraordinario.
Okay. And what kind of powers do you have?
I summon eagle powers from eagle eggs.
Next. Black Widow?
G'day. I'm here to audition for Thor, God of Thunder.
But we already have a Thor.
Mate, everyone knows Thor's Australian. Duh. Pull up to your galaxy. Thanos always trying to ask for me. Had to say no cause the man looks like an 8-foot eggplant emoji.
Wow.
All right.
Yeah, that's it's still a no for me. Sorry.
I'm Quicksilver, fastest metamutant superhero in the Pacific.
That's a pretty big call, mate. Why don't you prove it to us?
I just did.
We're waiting.
Aye, Captain.
Okay, we'll call you, okay? Thank you. Next. So how does that even help us?
Well, I can flip 3 burger patties with this hand while tossing salad with this hand.
Yeah, I guess we will need catering. Wolverine, you're going to Hollywood.
That's a golden buzzer.
Oh, and I can put another shrimp on the barbie.
Kia ora, bros. I'm auditioning for Cork. I'm made out of paper, as you can see.
That sounds like Taika. Taika Waititi.
But don't let that intimidate you. You don't need to be afraid unless you're made out of rocks. Just a little rock, paper, scissors joke there for you. Yeah, okay. I mean, like, what kind of power do you have? I can take notes. There you go. Or I can print out some pamphlets. How's that? You look very fragile. You might get out there and get burned or...
Yeah, you might get a paper cut.
Yeah. Cheers. Thank you anyway. Don't look for the mission, don't look for the cause. All right? You boys take care now.
Oh, it's Tony Stark. It's dark. It's not that dark. It's still quite bright inside here. There's a nice light ambience rolling in from outside.
Dread it. Run from it. Destiny arrives. All the same.
Huh, is it? Hey, auditions are closed. By the way, we have a hook. Ooh, that look like a shadow charge, that one. Yeah, I don't know if he used the armor there. Eh? Might have to check with the TMO.
Avengers! Kakoi Kawakawa!
Who has the last shell? Give it to me now.
Hold on, mate. Hold on, wait. I have the last shell.
I am inevitable.
Are you sure? What a super duper epic show that was, Young Sefa.
Sure was, Daz. Thanks for the memories, bro.
Hey, keep it fresh.
Goodbye.
In your mind, in your heart, in your soul, in your ears, in your eyes.
Kia ora, Freshies. I'm Amelia Ann.
And I'm Alea, and we play for the Central Pulse.
Next week, we're bringing fresh to you from the capital city.